You are doing everything right, eating well, taking care of yourself, but still feel tired or off. That's not in your head. It could be your body whispering that something is missing. Your body could be waving red flags telling you are low on vitamins or minerals. And ignoring those signs, that could lead to real health problems. This topic is personal for me. I had so many questions about my own health, and I ended up going to med school just to understand how the body really works and why am I feeling that way. And now I work with people every day who feel exhausted, foggy, or just off, and more often than not, it comes down to nutrient deficiency. I can tell you how many lab results I've seen with low iron, low B12, or borderline magnesium, even in people who thought they were eating healthy. Your body is always talking. Little clues like tingling in your toes, cracks in the corners of your mouth, or even gray hair way too early, this can all be signs of hidden nutrient deficiencies. So today I'm going to walk you through 15 of the most common signs, what they mean, and how to fix them naturally. Let's start with why these deficiencies happen in the first place. Most of the time it comes down to three things: poor absorption, nutrient-poor diets, and lifestyle. Let me show you exactly why your body might be running low on vitamins and minerals, even if you eat a decent diet. First, there is absorption. If your digestion isn't working well, like low stomach acid or gut inflammation, your body can't absorb nutrients properly. Next, there is quality of our food. Even fresh food today can lack nutrients due to soil depletion, and processed food often stripped of vitamins completely. And finally, lifestyle. Factors like stress, alcohol, and sugar use up your body's vitamin stores faster than you can replace them. All of this can leave your body in silent nutrient debt, and the signs show up in a way you don't always expect. Alright, now that we know why this happens, let's talk about the signs. Here are 15 clues your body might be running low on key nutrients grouped by different systems in your body. Let's start with your nervous system and energy levels. Tingling or numbness in your toes. It could be a sign of vitamin B1 deficiency, also called thiamine. Great sources include green peas, sunflower seeds, legumes, and pasture-raised chicken or turkey. You can also supplement if needed. Unexpected hearing issues? You might be low on vitamin B12, which is crucial for nerve health. Get it from eggs, wild-caught fish, grass-fed beef, or B12 supplements, especially if you are mostly plant-based. Is your heart racing sometimes without a clear reason? You could be low on potassium. You need about 4,700 milligrams daily, and you'll find it in avocados, sweet potatoes, white beans, bananas, and spinach. Thin or brittle hair? Biotin helps your hair grow strong and healthy. You'll get it from eggs, almonds, sweet potatoes, and salmon or sardines. Biotin supplements are also a good option if your levels are low. Noticing more hair shedding than usual? You could be low in iron, especially if you also feel tired. Boost iron with grass-fed beef, turkey, lentils, spinach, and pumpkin seeds. If needed, take an iron supplement, but also check with your doctor first. Dry or irritated skin all the time? You might need more omega-3 fatty acids. Go for wild-caught salmon, sardines, flax seeds, chia seeds, or high-quality algae-based omega-3 supplement. Dealing with lumpy or tender breasts before your period? You might be low in iodine, a mineral that your thyroid and breast tissue need to function properly. Iodine helps regulate hormones and reduce fibrocystic changes in breast tissue. You can get it from seaweed like nori or wakame, shellfish, and iodized salt. If you don't eat much seafood, a low-dose iodine supplement may help, but check with your doctor before starting. Cracks or sores at the corners of your mouth, sometimes painful, sometimes dry, could mean you are low in vitamin B2, also called riboflavin. This vitamin supports healthy skin, mouth tissue, and energy production. Low levels can happen if you are under stress, not eating enough variety, or taking birth control pills. To get more B2, eat eggs, almonds, mushrooms, spinach, and pasture-raised poultry. Mouth ulcers that keep coming back? You might be dealing with vitamin B12 deficiency. B12 supports cell repair and immune function, and low levels can cause inflammation in your mouth or tongue. It's common if you follow a mostly plant-based diet, have low stomach acid, or take acid-blocking medications. You can get B12 from eggs, grass-fed beef, trout, or high-quality supplements or B12 sprays, which work really well if absorption is an issue. Bleeding gums when you brush your teeth? That's a classic early sign of vitamin C deficiency. Vitamin C strengthens blood vessels, supports collagen production, and keeps gum tissue healthy. Even mild deficiencies can make your gums fragile and slow to heal. Stock up on bell peppers, kiwi, citrus fruits, strawberries, and leafy greens. It's a good idea to include vitamin C daily since your body can't store it for long. Cold sores are caused by the herpes simplex virus, and while you can't fully get rid of it, you can manage flare-ups. Lysine, an amino acid, may help reduce the frequency and intensity of cold sores by balancing out arginine, which virus needs to replicate. Good sources include chicken, turkey, legumes, quinoa, and lysine supplements, which many people use during outbreaks for faster healing. Got non-alcoholic fatty liver or sluggish digestion? You might be missing enough choline, a nutrient that helps move fat out of your liver and keeps your metabolism running efficiently. Low choline intake is common, especially if you avoid eggs and liver. You can get it from egg yolks, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, quinoa, and grass-fed meats in moderation. Also, choline supplements may be beneficial in some cases. If your cholesterol or triglycerides are high, your doctor may mention niacin, also known as vitamin B3. It helps improve blood lipid levels by increasing HDL, the good cholesterol, and lowering LDL and triglycerides, but large doses can cause side effects like flushing, so always use it under medical supervision. You can boost your B3 intake naturally with chicken, peanuts, mushrooms, and brown rice. Also, omega-3 fatty acids deficiency can lead to high triglycerides, so think about it. Your body wants you to feel good, but you have to know how to listen. If any of these signs sound familiar, it might be time to tweak your diet or think about blood tests and supplements. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you want more simple, science-backed health tips, and let me know in the comments, have you experienced any of these signs?